So hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since we've worked on anything like the Plastic Gen mini Beyblades. Today Sinan's Beys will create a plastic version of the new Beyblade X Sharkedege. First, grab a bottle cap like the one Sinan is using. We all know that Sharkedege is actually purple in color, but finding purple bottle caps is as rare as finding rare Beyblades. Now, you'll need two glue stick plastics like these ones. Sinan is now shaping it using a cutter and soldering iron. Honestly, it's not easy to make a Beyblade layer exactly like the real one while recording a video because it's a very complicated task. But Sinan is giving it his best shot. Finally, Sinan has finished shaping the layer, and it looks almost accurate. Now, print an image of Sharkedege, cut out the face area using scissors, and stick it properly onto the layer. For the bottom part, you'll need another bottle cap. Cut the bottom half of the bottle cap and stick it onto the layer properly. Lastly, for the performance tip, find something similar to performance tip. Normally, Plastic Gen Beyblades are very lightweight, and although they need an estimated weight to use the extreme dash gears, Plastic Gen Beyblades don't have that much weight. So, it doesn't make much sense to create a bit for this Beyblade. Your likes and great comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. But this video would mean a lot to us if you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon.